I think that Israeli society, it's a lunatic society. Netanyahu made the point in his UN speech. He says, everybody blames me for not wanting a Palestinian state. There are 120 members of the Knesset. You know how many support the Palestinian state? He said, correctly, 9. Over 90% agree with me. The problem is not me. This is what we all agree on. Israeli society, a poll taken probably about 4 or 5 months ago now, showed that 47% of Israeli Jews support a genocide in Gaza. It wasn't an ambiguous question. You said, well, genocide, can mean many things. No. They were asked a very simple question. When the IDF, the Israeli Defense Forces, when they enter a city, should they kill everybody in the city? That was literally the question that was posed to them. Should you kill everybody in the city? 47% said yes. A few weeks later, there was a question. Are there any innocents in Gaza? 62% said no. If you factor out the 20% of Israelis who are not Jewish, it's a 70%. Say there are no innocents in Gaza from age 0 on up. Even if you read that latest UN report, quite a lot of space in the report is given over to the Israeli targeting of children. They target children in the head and in the chest, the skull and in the chest. The report says they target, I'm using the words, they target toddlers. They target toddlers. So you have this sick look on your face as any normal human being. You read stuff like that. Very hard for me to wrap my mind around that. Not because I'm Jewish, because I'm human. You might say, okay, probably exaggeration, and what are your sources, and all that sort of stuff. But just a few months ago, a leader of the opposition in Israel, Jewish opposition, he said our soldiers kill children as a hobby. As a hobby. You get it? It's not a state project. The genocide is a national project.